So, well, students, we are discussing integration by method of substitution. We continue that concept. So, what it says that whenever we are unable to integrate given integration by any of earlier two methods, that is using direct formulas or maybe using trigonometrical formula method, if we unable to evaluate integration, we should look for integration by method of substitution. And integration by method of substitution says that depending on problem, take suitable substitution for appropriate function in terms of new variable like t or z or theta. Take suitable substitution for appropriate function in terms of new variable like t or z or theta. And after that, what the result be taken for substitution? Differentiate and convert full problem in terms of new variable t or theta. Then evaluate the resulting integral by earlier methods. Lastly, replace back value of t. And also yesterday we noticed the most general form of integration by method of substitution is f of g of x into z dash of x. And if this format is there, we need to take dx equal to t because there is a support of z dash of x, nothing but support of differentiation of g of x. That's why we should take substitution for g of x equal to t. Sometimes there may not be a occurrence of g of x, g dash of x, but by putting proper efforts, we can bring g of x, g dash of x, and afterwards put g of x equal to t and convert whole in terms of t variable, integrate, replace back value of t. And already in the topic differentiation, we have seen some standard substitution results that was there already in the topic differentiation. Once again we take its recapitulation. You can write as a standard substitutions. For root of a square minus x square, put or substitute x equal to a sin theta. This is some more number of times. In some exclusive cases, you have to put x equal to a cos theta also. Next, for the expression like root of a square plus x square, we need to put x equal to a tan theta. Put x equal to a tan theta. Even you can put x equal to a cot theta also, but more number of times we shall prefer putting for a tan theta. And for expression like root of x square minus a square, we shall prefer to put x equal to a secant theta. These substitutions only when these kind of expressions are present. But in some other cases, depending on integrand's type, depending on expression of integrand, you need to take a proper substitution. We first have some 4 important formulas of integration by method of substitution, and afterwards we shall solve problems based on this. We have four standard results of integration by method of substitution. One of them I proved, remaining are same type. These will be helpful for the problems. Standard results of integration by method of substitution. These four results prove not required, just I am proving one. First one, integration f of x to the power of n into f dash of x dx. Answer will be f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where n not equal to minus 1. Understand. Let us see how this result will be able to get. So because of f dash x is the derivative of f of x, so what we shall do is that we shall put t equal to f of x. And after putting differentiate dt by dx equal to f dash of x, or only dt equal to f dash of x into dx. So now using this value of t, value of dt, our integration I becomes as I equal to integration t power n, remaining becomes dt. Now it is just like integration x power n, integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, here it is t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, but replace back value of t without way, where t is f of x. So the result is nothing but f of x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Like this, still we have three more standard results using method of substitution. These will definitely help in saving the time in the upcoming problems. Now, how this formula will be used, we just see. For instance, suppose we have integration of x square plus 1 whole power 10 into 2x dx, x square plus 1 whole to the power of 10 into 2x dx. So easily you can understand that this formula can be suitable, because now this will become f of x, and obviously f dash x will be 2x, and n, what is n value? 10. N value is 10. So result, by using this formula, fx to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, answer x square plus 1 to the power of 11 divided by 11 plus c. Like this, still we have three more results. So other results under method of substitution are like this. Second one, integration f dash of x divided by f of x dx. Its answer will be log of f of x with modulus understood. Log of modulus, right, I told understood. plus c. You try to put all these formulas in specifically bracket, means highlighting manner. And what this formula says that whenever we have numerator perfect derivative of denominator, then answer will be log of denominator, because f of x is in denominator position, provided numerator must be exact differentiation of denominator. If not, we have to make adjustment with constants, but not with variables. With constants we can make adjustment. For example, integration 2x divided by x square plus 10 dx, its answer directly by this formula. You can go for substitution method, put t equal to fx, but not necessary. So how much x square plus 10 differentiation? It is 2x. Because differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of 10 0. Answer log x square plus 10 plus constant. Similarly, suppose we have integration x power 4 divided by 5 plus x power 5. You observe the connection. Differentiation of x power 5 is 5x power 4. We have got x power 4, but we don't have 5. So we shall divide by 5, and inside integration we shall multiply by 5. 5 x power 4 divided by 5 plus x power 5. Now, just like integration f dash x divided by f of x, answer is log of f of x, means 1 by 5 log of 5 plus x power 5 plus constant. Like this formula we are going to employ in the coming hours. Third one. Third one, integration f dash of x divided by square root of f of x. Its value will be 2 into square root of f of x plus c. For example, integration secant square x divided by square root of 10 plus tan equals to, it is in the format f dash x by square root of f of x, because f of x is 10 plus tan x, and whose derivative will be secant square x. Answer is 2 root of 10 plus tan x. And more importantly, when we don't have here square root, when we don't have square root, it will be in the form of f dash x by f of x. At that time, answer will be log of f of x. Another formula from substitution method, integration e to the power of fx into f dash of x equals to e to the power f of x plus c understood. What these formulas we got using method of substitution. If you don't want to use these formulas, no problem. Use method of substitution, you will get the same result. And in each of these formulas, you have to put fx equal to t. In all of these four formulas, substitution will be putting f of x equal to t. Before we start problems on integration by method of substitution, for your easy sake, you keep this in mind. what I said that take substitution, then differentiate. So if we take substitution, something like t equal to f of x, means if our substitution for t and completely in terms of x, better for not to confuse this result, differentiate with respect to x. For example, if we take substitution t equal to log x, better differentiate with respect to x. And if we take something like x equal to f of theta, in this case, better for not to confuse, differentiate with respect to theta. For example, whenever say you want to put x equal to root of tan theta, if this were with a substitution, instead of differentiating with respect to x, better differentiate with respect to theta. So if substitution expression is in terms of x, differentiate with respect to x. If it is in terms of theta, differentiate with respect to theta. If it is in terms of z, complete z, differentiate with respect to z, and so on. So with all these background of integration by method of substitution, everything I told, what to take substitution, how to take substitution, why it is required, and sometimes you have to bring into substitution method, and everything I told very clearly. I hope all of that you followed. Now we start problems based on integration by method of substitution. So this is type 3 problems we have in a row now, and this is class number 9 actually, I forgot to write. We are in 9th class of integration of second year PUC, and now we are with the type 3 problems. Type 1, evaluation of integrations directly by integration formula without taking much more efforts. Type 2, evaluation of integrals exclusively using suitable trigonometric formulas. And here it will be mixture of type 1, type 2, and as well as additional substitution method. Heading, evaluation. Means finding the value, that's the meaning. Evaluation of integrals. Using, one more word you can add, problems on evaluation of integrals using method of substitution. So in following problems, first analyze correctly problem and you recognize substitution for which function in terms of which appropriate variable, and after that differentiate, convert full problem in terms of variable t or z, integrate by earlier methods, lastly replace back value of t or z. And while evaluating type 3 problems, we may come across type 1, type 2 methods also. No wonder in that, because type 3 will come only after completion of type 1 and type 2. So keep that in mind. So type 3 problems, some problems even can be solved by using type 1, type 2 after taking proper substitution. So write problems on this type. So this type problems are very important for both theory as well as MCQ level problems. MCQ level examination. First problem, evaluate integration of cos of tan x into secant square x dx. Cos of tan x into secant square x dx. First step I. Let I equal to integration cos of tan x into secant square x. Call 1. Observe function and its derivative. What is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. So there is a presence of g of x, g dash of x. We shall put for tan x. Put t equal to tan x. You may come to if you want. This is appropriate. You can't put for log x. It's quite impossible because log x derivative is 1 by x. There is no support of 1 by x. That's why our ideal substitution is for tan x. Differentiate. And since we have completely in terms of x, better differentiate with respect to x. On differentiating with respect to x, dt by dx. Right hand side is secant square x. You can think now as if on cross multiplication, which implies dt equal to secant square x into dx. So now from 2 and 3 using in 1. Therefore now 1 changes to, or 1 implies that 1 changes to I equals to integration cos tan x means t. It becomes cos t. Remaining secant square x dx will be dt. Now it is our type 1 problem, direct integration formula type. What was the integration of cos x? Sin x. Same type. What is integration of cos t? Sin t plus constant c. Now more importantly, our problem was originally started from variable x. We have to end our answer also with variable x. Replace t value compulsory. What is t value? Tan x. So replace t equal to tan x. Whichever taken, that must replace t value as tan x. So now I becomes as find sin of tan x plus c. So here the substitution was very crucial. That to be substitution for appropriate function. That appropriate function is tan x because there is support of secant square x. Next problem. Second question. Under method of substitution, evaluate. Evaluate integration of tan of 3 cot x into cosec square x dx. Start from I. Let I equal to given integration problem. Let I equal to integration tan of 3 cot x into cosec square x. Call 1. And you try to analyze correctly which function derivative is existing. What's the differentiation of cot x minus cosec square x? Minus can be adjusted. So we need to put for cot x because there is a presence of cosec square x. Put t equal to cot x. And after putting, compulsorily differentiating with respect to x. dt by dx equals to minus of cosec square x dx. From this minus shifted to left side, minus dt is equal to cosec square x dx. Now from 2 and 3 using in 1. Therefore now 1 changes to using 2 and 3. I equals to integration tan of 3t because t is cot of x. Remaining becomes minus of dt. Minus is taken outside because constant minus of integration tan 3t dt. Now it's a direct formula type. What is the integration of tan function? Log of secant function divided by 3. So that is minus 1 by 3 log of secant 3t plus constant. Replace back value of t. What is t? Replace t value. T value is cot x. So finally, the answer becomes minus 1 by 3 into log of modulus of secant of secant 3 cot x plus c. So that proper substitution yields us to get the answer of integration. By chance, if you have taken here substitution for sin x, no use, because there is no presence of cos x. And if you take a substitution for tan x, also no use, because there is no presence of secant square x. There is a presence of cot x and cosec square x. Both are connected by means of derivative. That's why our substitution was for cot x. Next question. Hope you are following the facts. Evaluate. Evaluate integration of sine inverse x power 5 divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Start from I. Let I equal to problem integration sine inverse of x power 5, and we shall write preferably into 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. This I have separated so that easily you can now tell that because of derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That's our idea. Now we shall put for the function sine inverse x. Put t equal to sine inverse x. That's appropriate. And after this, differentiate. dt by dx equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cross multiply dt equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx. So this is 2, this is 3. Right, from 2 and 3, 1 changes to. From 2 and 3, 1 changes to I equals integration. For sin inverse x, what we can write? T, which become t power 5. Whereas for 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx, what we have? dt. Now it is a normal integration, just like integration of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 here, t power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. That is t power 6 by 6 plus c. But more importantly, replace back value of t. What is t value? Sin inverse x. That is sin inverse x power 6 by 6 plus next problem. Under method of substitution. Maybe fourth or fifth problem, because it will not be importance for number of problems. People please maintain it. Maybe it is a fifth problem, perhaps, or fourth. To take it in correct manner, whichever it is a fourth or fifth. Evaluate. Integration of cube root of tan inverse x power 5 divided by 1 plus x square dx. You can expect substitution easily for which function? Tan inverse x, because there is a presence of 1 by 1 plus x square. Solution. Let I equal. Also by laws of inducers, what is nth root of a? Nth root of a means a power 1 by n. That means it becomes tan inverse x power 5 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Comma. Now we have to put for t equal to how much? Tan inverse x. Put t equal to tan inverse x. Come to. And after that, differentiating 2 with respect to x. Differentiation of t is dt by dx. At the same time, differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply. So dt equals to 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Hence from 2 and 3 using it 1, or from 2 and 3 1 changes to I equals to t to the power 5 by 3, remaining is variable d. It is normal integration of x power n time. Integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. here t power 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by 5 by 3 plus 1 plus constant. But 5 by 3 plus 1 will become 3 into 1, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 by 3, by 8 by 3 as well as 3 by 8. 3 by 8 into t power 8 by 3 plus c. Replace compulsorily t value. What is being t value? T value is tan inverse of x. That is equal to 3 by 8 into tan inverse x to the power 8 by 3 plus c. I hope now you are getting slowly ideas of this type of problems. Next problem. Evaluate. Evaluate integration sin x to the power of 5 dx. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration sin x power 5 dx. Sin x power 5 may be written as a sin x power 4 into sin x. But still you cannot take substitution because the derivative of sin x is cos x. So there is no presence of cos x. We shall apply trigonometry formula. Before that, sin x power 4 means sin square x whole square into sin x. Further, what is sin square x? 1 minus cos square x. I equal to integration of 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x. Now we can expect easily substitution because cos x derivative is well in terms of sin x, maybe minus, but it is in terms of sin x. So we shall put t equal to cos x. Substitute or put t equal to cos x, then differentiate dt by dx equal to minus sin x. But we have only sin x dx, so minus sign shifted to other side, which implies minus dt equal to sin x dx. From 2 and 3, 1 becomes, or 1 changes to I equal to integration 1 minus t square whole square. Rest sin x dx will become minus of dt. Minus is taken outside, is kept outside. Minus of integration 1 minus t square whole square dt. Here is a warning. This answer cannot be equal to 1 minus t square whole cube by 3. That is valid only for algebraic function. If there is algebraic function like ax, that will be first degree function. If we have a first degree algebraic function of this type, the only answer is ax plus b to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by n. Here it is not a linear, it is a quadratic. So that formula we can't apply. We use here a minus b whole square formula. On using a minus b whole square formula here, that is equal to minus of integration. It is just like a minus whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a. What is a square? 1. What is b square? t square whole square, t power 4 minus 2ab is 2t square dt. Now we can split into 4 integrations with minus completely outside. First one, minus of bracket integration of 1 dt. Next one, integration of t power 4 dt minus 2 into integration of t square dt. Minus 1. What is integration of 1 dt? T. How much integration? And here is very important. Integration of 1 dx is x. But here variable is t. Hence integration of 1 dt will be t. Integration of t power 4 is t power 5 by 5. Minus 2 into integration of t cube and t square is t cube by 3 plus constant. But now, very importantly, replace back value of t. Replace t value. What is t? Cos x. Hence, our answer become minus of cos x plus cos x power 5 divided by 5 minus 2 into cos cube x by 3 plus constant. Next question. Find, or it may be given as evaluate. Find integration of 1 divided by 1 minus tan x whole cube into, that is into in denominator cos square x dx. So let I equal to given integration problem. Let I equal to integration 1 divided by 1 minus tan x whole cube into cos square x. Before we expect substitution, one step we shall have an adjustment. Let's transfer to numerator, which become 1 minus tan x to the power of minus 3. And also, what is 1 divided by cos square x? Secant square x. Cos 1. Choice is yours. You can put only for tan x because differentiation of tan x is secant square x. And even if you take including 1 also, because after all differentiation of 1 is 0. So whenever there is a presence of constant plus or minus, you take substitution, better including the constant also. That's best. You can take excluding also, but take including that constant whichever is present. Because after all differentiation constant does not matter because it is 0. So we shall put 1 minus tan x equal to t, or you can put z also. Put z equal to 1 minus tan x. Again I repeat that you can put only for tan x also, no in that. Differentiate dz by dx. Differentiation of 1, 0. Differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So from this minus dz equal to secant square x dx. write from 2 and 3 using in 1. So now 1 becomes as I include integration. For 1 minus tan x, what we can write? Z power minus 3. Rest secant square h dx become minus of dz. Minus will be outside. Minus of integration z to the power minus 3 dz. So now integration of z to the power minus 3 is z to the power minus 2 divided by minus 2 plus c. Replace back value of z. What is z? 1 minus tan x. At the same time, here minus and minus plus. So this is can be written as 1 divided by 2 z square plus c. Replace back value of z. Z is 1 minus tan x. So finally 1 by 2 into 1 minus tan x whole square plus c. Realize that we were able to get answer because of proper substitution for 1 minus tan x. If you do 1 plus tan x, put t equal to 1 plus tan x. Still we have more examples on this concept. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.